Welcome back. Let's do question 421. In the diagram, M is the center of the circle, having Pn as the diameter. This is Pn is the diameter. KL is a tangent to the circle at N. Determine the equation of the circle in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. So this is the general equation of a circle, where a and b are from the coordinates of the center of the circle. From M, we can say that this would be x minus 3 squared plus y minus negative 5. What is minus negative 5? Becomes plus 5, isn't it? Right? Y minus negative 5 squared is equal to r squared. So we have x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to r squared. We need to find r squared. So we can use the distance formula. The radius here is mn, so we can find the distance mn. Mn is radius, so you're saying radius squared is equal to, right, so you can say x at n minus x at m squared plus y at n minus y at m squared. So r squared is equal to x at n is 7 minus 3 squared plus y at n there is negative 2 minus y at m, which is negative 5, minus negative 5, and then squared. Right, you can put this in the calculator. This must give you 25. 7 minus 3, that is 4. 4 squared, that is 16. Then negative 2 plus 5, that is 3. 3 squared, that is 9. 16 plus 9 must give us 25. So r squared is equal to 25. There's no need to square root this because here we want r squared. So we just write the equation. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x, which is from here, x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to 25. That's the equation of the circle.